Ground-based wildfire suppression technologies. Ground-based wildfire suppression technologies. Fires can be incredibly destructive, and it is essential to have effective firefighting methods to combat them. In this tutorial, we will explore various ground-based firefighting methods used to suppress wildfires. These methods are an essential part of ground-based wildfire suppression technologies. In the realm of ground-based wildfire suppression technologies, there is a wide array of tools and equipment that are crucial for effectively fighting fires on the ground. These tools not only enhance the safety and efficiency of firefighting efforts, but also aid in minimizing the spread and damage caused by wildfires. In this tutorial, we will dive deep into the various tools and equipment used in ground-based fire suppression. Wildfire suppression is a critical task that requires efficient training and safety measures to minimize risks and efficiently combat fires. This tutorial will provide a detailed overview of the training and safety considerations essential for ground-based wildfire suppression technologies.